Hey guys, Dave here. Welcome to the Spin Rewriter review. We will be explaining the software in general, and we will talk about the bonuses that we have for you. Without further ado, let's begin.
Before we begin, I would like to inform you that, due to the fact that English is not my native language, I will be using a voiceover so it will be easier for me and easier for you to understand this video. Okay. So let's begin with our bonus page. We have put together some custom bonuses for those of you who would like to purchase Spin Rewriter 12 from us by using the link we provide below this video. So as you can see here on our bonus page, Spin Rewriter is the only article spinner that truly understands the meaning of your content, so you can start ranking for more keywords. The countdown timer that you see here only indicates when this bonus page will expire. Every yellow button you see on that page will let you get on the Spin Rewriter website if you are interested in buying the product. Okay, let's check the custom bonuses that we are offering you to help you in your online marketing journey. Our first bonus is a tutorial on how to make a squeeze page. Anyone doing online marketing needs to capture their customer information in order to build a list. Like they say, the money is in the list. Our second bonus is a complete course on affiliate marketing, including high-quality videos that will help you start as an affiliate marketer. And our third bonus is a tutorial that will show you 3 high-quality traffic sources you can use in your online marketing business. Remember that you can click any of the yellow buttons to get access to the Spin Rewriter homepage where you can purchase the product. Now let's take a look at the software itself. So what is Spin Rewriter all about? Like I was mentioning in my intro, Spin Rewriter is a piece of software that lets you take any existing article and with few clicks turns it into dozens of 100% unique, human quality articles. Let's look at the price, upsells, and downsells. As you can see, the front-end product is offered to you at a 60% discounted price of $77 per year. I just want to reassure you that you will receive those custom bonuses even if you only subscribe to the front-end product. The first upsell that will be offered to you is the Spin Rewriter 12 Gold membership. This one is very interesting. For a one-time fee of $37, you get lifetime access to the exclusive VIP Gold membership. The Gold membership comes with 5 exclusive VIP benefits. Benefits number 1 is a content on-demand SEO service. Being a Gold member gives you a 24/7 access to the Spin Rewriter dedicated team of SEO professionals. This means that you can use this dedicated team to spin and rewrite articles for you, and deliver them to your email box, free of charge, within 12 hours. They will provide you with up to 50 articles for you every single month, month after month. Benefit number 2 is an extra account for your virtual assistant. You can set up limited access Spin Rewriter account for your assistant to create unlimited content for you, without sharing your personal email address and password with anyone. Benefit number 3, as a Gold member you also get access to the official iPhone and Android mobile apps, so you will be able to create unique content on the go. Benefit number 4, access to priority servers for fast spinning. These priority servers deliver an even faster article analysis and synonym selection. This means a faster user experience and super short waiting times when spinning your content. Benefit number 5, priority VIP customer support, gives you access to the hands-on VIP support team who will take care of your every needs, and they will even provide you with in-depth SEO consulting that is tailored to your specific needs, at no extra cost. Upsell number 2, the Spin Rewriter 12 WordPress plugin. The Spin Rewriter WordPress license comes with 2 huge benefits. Benefits number 1, you get access to the official Spin Rewriter WordPress plugin, which means that you can install the WordPress plugin on an unlimited number of sites, unlike other programs which you need 1 license per site. This plugin comes with 4 extremely powerful features. Feature number 1, automatically spin and republish an old post. Feature number 2, automatically fetch new unique post. Feature number 3, spin posts right inside of WordPress by simply clicking one button. Feature number 4, connect your website, so all your websites will automatically appear inside your Spin Rewriter account. Benefit number 2, WordPress integration with support for remote hosting. The one-click remote posting feature even allows you to schedule the exact date and time of when you want your new post to appear on your websites. Upsell number 3 is the Spin Rewriter hands-off subscription service. For $47, the Spin Rewriter team will take care of the SEO aspect of one of your websites, including a large SEO package. There is a one-click upsell at $20 per month, for each additional website you would like the team takes care of. There is also a downsell, if you find that hands-off subscription service is too expensive. The Spin Rewriter team can take care of the SEO aspect of your website with a small SEO package for $17 per month. So now here we are inside the Spin Writer website. As you can see in the Home Control panel, you can have access to multiple options. The first option, on the left, is the rewrite a single article, which is pretty self-explanatory. This is where the magic of Spin Rewriter 12 happens. The option right below is the archive section, where you will be able to manage all the articles that you have made, even the draft. The WordPress plugin and integration option will contain everything regarding the WordPress options if you bought this module, which offers as an upsell. Then, you have the how to and video tutorials section, where you will find 12 high-quality videos that will show you how to become a certified Spin Rewriter Ninja. On the top right, we have the rewrite multiple articles option, which is also self-explanatory. Just below it, you have the profitable affiliate program, so if you like Spin Rewriter and you would like to recommend it to your friends, or promote it like me, you will find all the information you need in that section. The Gold membership exclusive area, as we saw earlier, is where you will find all the Gold features that we have discussed. In last, but not least, you'll find at the bottom right the Support Contact tab, which is again self-explanatory. Now if we go in the Rewrite tab, this is where the magic begins. As you can see here, we have 3 steps to generate unique articles. Step 1 is where we will paste the article we want to base our future new and unique articles on. So all you need to do is copy and paste the article into the box. You can also change few settings by clicking the setting button. As you can see, we have 3 tabs. The first tab is sentences and paragraphs, the second one is words and phrases, and the last one is advanced settings. According to Aaron Sestar, the creator of Spin Rewriter, the recommended settings for the sentences and paragraphs is to turn on automatically rewrite sentences, automatically rewrite entire paragraphs, and automatically change the structure of phrases and sentences. For words and phrases, Aaron recommends using the most readable settings. Only use synonyms that are definitely correct. And on the advanced settings, you want to click on the auto one-click rewrite and enable hyperspeed options. So let's try this out. Let's paste our article in the box. Now click the rewrite article button. As soon as you hit the button, you will see that Spin Rewriter will fetch all the words in the article and bring out all of the synonyms for each word that he found relevant in the article. As you can see, Spin Rewriter is now listing all the synonyms that he found relevant. You can click on any of the blue words to see a list of all the synonyms that Spin Rewriter has found for that particular word. Depending on the option you turned on, in step 1 the software will select the most relevant synonyms for the words contained in the article. Of course, you can select any other synonyms that may suit you in that list. When you have selected all the synonyms that you want to be used to spin your new article, you can hit the Finalize Article button. Now in step 3, you have the option to add videos or images to your text. You can also export an article, or hit Generate a Unique Article to have Spin Rewriter produce your unique content. Let's quickly add some images to our article by clicking the image icon. I can type my keyword, or select one of the suggested one. Now I can select images and change the option below to 3 images. And then make sure that the wrap text around images is on. Now, we are ready to click the Generate a Unique Article button. Voila! You now have your unique article with your 3 images, and Spin Rewriter also indicates the percentage of uniqueness of your article. If you want, you can click the Compare Side by Side with the original article button to see both the original and new article. That completes our review video, but before I let you go, I just want to show you where you can find the include bonuses that come with your Spin Rewriter subscription. So you will have my custom bonuses as discussed earlier, plus those extra bonuses. To get those extra bonuses, just click the Account button on the upper right corner. On the Account page just beside my account, you'll see bonuses. Just click Bonuses to get access to them. Very important note, Don't forget to check the description below to get all the details and the instructions to get access to your custom bonuses. I would like to thank you for your time. I wish you all the best. Bye.